It begins here. Fresh cassava arrives directly from certified farms. Hygiene starts immediately. Mud removal ensures purity from the source. Vibrating tanks separate soil without damaging the starchy interior. Precision blades remove toxic cyanogenic layers safely. Breaking down cell walls releases maximum starch potential. Mechanical pumps transport raw mash to the gelatinization phase. Constant stirring prevents scorching during high-temperature cooking. Biological enzymes convert remaining carbohydrates into fermentable sugar. Rapid cooling stops enzyme activity at the perfect sweet spot. Heat breaks down complex starches into simpler sugars naturally. Specific yeast strains introduce life to the sugar-rich mixture. Anaerobic environment forces yeast to produce ethanol instead of growth. Bubbles indicate carbon dioxide release, a sign of healthy conversion. Once sugar drops to zero, yeast has done its primary work. Separation removes spent biomass before final extraction begins. Pure fermented wort moves toward the distillation column. Warming the mash reduces energy shock in the main still. Copper pots capture volatile aromatics during vaporization. Heat drives alcohol vapor upwards toward the condenser coil. Rapid cooling turns invisible vapor back into usable liquid spirit. The first spirits contain methanol, carefully separated out. Now comes the heart, the pure middle section for premium quality. Automated sensors adjust cuts precisely to maximize purity. As flavor compounds change, the run concludes efficiently. Time and oxygen interaction soften harsh edges of young spirit. Master blenders ensure every bottle tastes identical to the last. Each day brings another batch of high-proof golden spirit. Double-filtered water dilutes spirit without introducing taste. The exact proof determines market classification and shelf life. Final polish removes any remaining traces of color or haze. Contamination-free bottles protect brand reputation strictly. Negative pressure filling prevents oxidation inside the bottle. Proper sealing keeps volatile aromas locked securely in place. Brand identity printed directly on the front label layer. Safety sensors protect consumers from packaging defects. Sturdy cardboard protects fragile glass during transit. Traceability codes allow us to track every single bottle produced. Multi-packs are designed for easy retail distribution and shipping. Automation minimizes human handling damage risk. Secure taping prevents theft or opening during logistics. Interlocking bricks distribute weight evenly for truck loading. Protective wrap shields against moisture and dirt on road. Forklift operators move finished goods to cool storage. Accurate tracking ensures orders dispatch on schedule daily. After 24 hours, the plate shows no spoilage organisms, ensuring no unwanted bacteria survive the bottling process. Microscopic examination confirms sterility. Sample is approved.
Here are the permit documents.
Thank you. I'll verify them against the ID.
Everything looks in order? Official oversight guarantees compliance with national laws.
Laboratory tests validate consistency against legal standards. Detailed manifests streamline international customs clearance.
Back it up! Keep coming! Whoa! Stop right there!
The journey begins from factory doors to consumer shelves. Efficient loading maximizes cargo space for transport efficiency. Secured loads prevent shifting during highway driving.
All four corner straps locked firmly in place.
Vehicles depart fully loaded and compliant with safety. Security monitoring ensures chain of custody integrity.
Transport permit signed off. Truck is clear to depart.
Shift rotations ensure 24-hour production cycles continue. Regular maintenance prevents downtime during peak season.
Contamination zones clear, ready for test. Checklist complete, all systems go.
Sanitization kills pathogens before next production batch.
Guards and covers are all locked. Good. Checking the emergency stops now. Button is spots and ferns.
Safety systems tested daily ensure operator protection always.
All stations confirm ready.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Readiness confirmed before resuming full operational capacity. The system is ready. A new container of raw material enters the processing line. The weight sensor records the incoming tonnage precisely. The hopper gates open to logs the weight into the allow flow into the mill. Dry floors prevent slips and bacterial growth environments. Speed balances output with quality control requirements. Technology assists in modern warehouse inventory tracking.
Minor jam, tightening this bolt. There, vibration's gone. Smooth movement again.
Quick repairs keep productivity uninterrupted effectively. Cooling systems regulate ambient temperature for machinery health.
Adjusting fan pitch to stabilize temperature.
Sustainable energy reduces operational costs over time.
I think we can speed up the assembly line.
Yeah, rotating tasks could help. Good point. Let me see the note.
Thanks.
Fast staff contributes to higher quality output generally.
Drill concluded successfully. Team observed the correct posture. Excellent. Now practice the lift. Ongoing training maintains high safety standards consistently.
Fire safety readiness ensures protection of asset and people. Recycling initiatives minimize landfill waste significantly. Responsible water management protects local ecosystems strictly.
Email sent, exports are up 20%. Wow, that's fantastic. The quality is really validates our entire production line. Commercial growth validates the quality of the production line. This blend is promising. Let's test the citrus profile.
Agreed. I'll add the vanilla for depth. Mix is stable, ready for prototype testing.
Approved for the next phase.
Creative teams design visuals that attract customer attention.
Okay, action. Get the shot. Perfect. That's a great take. Thumbs up.
Modern marketing spreads awareness globally online. Thank you for the delivery.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Stocking the new shipment
I'll
out.
have cassava root spirit. Too great.
Ultimately, our goal is delivering premium experiences. From root to glass, precision defines every single step. Taste speaks louder than words in craftsmanship. Thank you for visiting inside our premium facility. Our commitment to quality never rests day or night.
Visit our website for more information on our brands.
Explore other industrial processes by watching these clips. All rights reserved. Documentary for educational purposes. End of documentary broadcast. We appreciate your viewership today. End transmission. Video playback terminated. Thank you for watching the full manufacturing process. Production files archived securely now.